Hey guys, it's Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach, the CEO and founder of the Academy of Financial Education. And as always, on behalf of myself as well as my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Levita Pyers, guys, we wish each and every one of you prosperity, financial freedom from the current system of debt, financial freedom from the plantation of taxation. Yeah, let me say that again for the person in the back of the room. From the plantation of taxation. Guys, we wish each and every one of you nothing but the best in 2023 and going into 2024. Man, it has been a while since I've been able to put out a video on my YouTube station, so I'm going to definitely put this out on my YouTube station. And I haven't been live on Facebook in months, but guys, I can tell you right now that I am going to be ramping up. I know a lot of you have missed the content. You've reached out to me and said, Mark, we need to hear the messages that you've been putting out for so long. And I'm coming back, guys. So with that being said, look, I just wanted to jump in here and say this. Taxes, debt, and inflation. I've been preaching this, guys, for years, right? I've been teaching tax education for 30 years directly from the IRS. Taxes, debt, and inflation. The three financial killers to rob you of wealth. Taxes, why? Because it takes a portion of your money before you ever see your paycheck, right? It takes a big portion of your money. Some people don't think the taxes is that big of a deal. But when you take in consideration federal taxes, state taxes, Social Security taxes, Medicare taxes, how about sales taxes? Right? When you go to the grocery store and you buy those non-perishable items. You know, I love that. I love that palm tree right there. That is a beautiful palm tree, right? When you take in consideration, sales taxes when you purchase a vehicle. How about this? Property taxes. Real estate is out of control. Housing costs is out of control. How about the fact that when you pay rent, you actually paid the taxes on the money that you handed over to the landlord? How about when you pay mortgage interest? Mortgage interest, guys, interest rates are out of control, right? The Federal Reserve right now, they haven't raised interest rates in about 5 months, okay? I believe that they're going to start bringing interest rates down, but here's the problem. Housing prices is out of control. The housing prices are already out of control. So what are we going to do about it? Well, there's only really a few things that you and I can do. One of the things that we can do, the number one thing that we can do, is we can control the amount of federal and state income taxes that comes out of our paycheck. Yes, I did say that. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've never been told this before, you and only you decides how much of your money is lost in the form of federal and state income taxes. Okay? And how do you control that? Well, you control how you spend your money. There's a reason why the tax code has something called tax deductions. Tax deductions eliminates the amount of income taxes that you pay on the amount of money that you make. Let me say that again. Tax deductions eliminates the amount of taxes that you pay on the money that you make. Okay, so let me talk about one of the easiest ways for you and I to be able to legally, ethically, and morally drastically reduce, and in some case even totally eliminate them. Totally eliminate them. What am I talking about? I'm talking about federal taxes. What is the easiest way? Guys, it's called a side hustle. It's called a home-based business. It's called starting a income source that is outside of your W-2 wage earning job, Okay? There's a reason why the tax code rewards business owners and entrepreneurs in the form of tax savings and penalizes the employee. Let me say that again. There is a reason why the tax code rewards entrepreneurs and business owners. Okay, I'm talking about the Uber drivers. I'm talking about the Uber Eat drivers. I'm talking about the person that does hair from home. Okay, I'm talking about the barber that gets in his car and drives somewhere and cut hair. Okay, I'm talking about the person that is earning income outside of their W-2 wage earning job is rewarded. They are significantly rewarded in the form of tax deductions. We got about 20 days before December 31st. Here's my question. How much of your hard-earned income are you going to leave on the table? Let me say that again. We have about 20 days left before December 31st. And my question to you is, how much of your hard-earned income are you going to leave on the table because you did not know what you did not know? And so here's what I want to do. Guys, over the course of the next few weeks, okay, we only got a couple of weeks left to do this, okay? We need to get it done sooner than later, okay? I am going to offer my Tax 101 consultation for a significant, ridiculous discount. Okay, guys, I'm talking about, I am going to, my wife's probably not going to like this. Okay, I am going to reduce my 101 tax consultation fee by 65%. Why am I doing that? Between now and January 1st, I want to help a minimum of 25 to 30 people save anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 in taxes. And I want to document it. Let me say that again. I want to help a minimum of 25 to 50 people, okay, save between $1,000 to $5,000 in taxes. And I want to document it, okay? So I am going to significantly reduce the cost of my 101 tax consultation. I can tell you right now, those of you that have taken a consultation with me, if you're watching this video, please comment inside of the comment box of this video and let the people know how much money you saved in taxes when you did a consultation with me. I can tell you right now, okay, on average, the average person is going to save anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 because they did not know what they do not know. They did not know what they do and did not know. And that is that you have the power to drastically reduce federal and state income taxes legally, ethically, and morally. And guys, I'm one of the only tax professionals that teaches that information directly from the IRS themselves. See, I don't put a twist on it, okay? I don't put my little tweak to it, okay? I don't give you my opinion. I take you directly to the source. I teach you what the school system has been forbidden to teach, and that is the more you know, the less you will legally, ethically owe in taxes. And now what do you do with that savings, guys? You take that money, you apply that money towards assets that generate income. And so here's what I want to leave you with. Do you want your hard-earned income going into the pockets of the government because you're being penalized for what you did not know? Or do you want it in your pocket so you can put that money to work for you? And for those of you that are thinking, well, if nobody paid taxes, Mark, then the government wouldn't run, I want to share a story with you. Prior to 1913, the United States of America had no federal income tax on income, and we did just fine. The income tax was not established in 1913 because the government needs your tax dollars. If that was the case, there would be nothing called a tax deduction. Tax deduction means the money you earned, you can deduct the taxes you would have paid and pay zero. Think about that. And so, guys, if you want to learn more about this one-on-one consultation, I'm going to put my email down somewhere in the subject of this video. If you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and click down in the subject line. You may find it there. If you're watching it on Facebook, it's somewhere in the comments and or going across this screen. Again, I don't know how long I'm going to be able to to, give this discount. I know my wife is not going to be happy with it, but I am going to slash it by 60. It is a ridiculous deal. It's a ridiculous deal. But as I often say, guys, I do this out of passion. I take the money, but I do it out of passion. And I'm passionate about changing lives with financial education. My question is, will you be one of them? So I'll see you guys not at the top. I'll see you on the right side of money. Email me and let me know that you would like to take advantage or you want more information about the one-on-one tax consultation, and you want to get 65% off of that already ridiculously low price when you compare how much money you're going to save for the rest of your life. Mark Pryor's Home-Based Business Tax Coach and Wealth Coach. Guys, we'll see you on the right side of money.